Hey guys, this is beautiful monogram. You can see this is personal letter monogram and the name written is Aryan. You can customize this name with your name or your relative's name, and this comes with two different colors. This is basically silver brush and the other color is golden mirror. You can see it looks beautiful, and these are made up of quality aluminum composite material, and you can see these are few monograms ordered by our customer and they are going to get shipped today. You can see Kamal loves Monica. These are couple monograms. We have couple category as well as we have family category. We have kids category. You can see this is kids category. This is Thor hammer. So if your child is Avengers fan, you can give them this beautiful monogram. Then we have cute little Barbie. You can see this Barbie. You can easily paste it on any wall or any glass or any cupboard. You can see this is daddy's princess. This is for father and daughter. You can easily stick on any wall or maybe on glass, and we provide two-way industrial quality tape. Just peel it and paste it. If you want for a more strong, then you can just put any screws and you can fasten it. It is very easy to assemble. After that we have more categories. You can see this is beautiful welcome. You can put it at your door or inside your house. This also looks beautiful. So if you want to order this kind of beautiful monograms, just visit www.jadhavmonogram.com and order your beautiful monogram. You can see this one more. It is Royal Traders. So again, if you want to order such beautiful monograms, just visit www.jadhavmonogram.com. And you can see we have one more category. This is family category, and in that category you can see thank you for everything. You can give this to your parents, grandparents, dada dadi. Of course you can change the text. You can customize it like thank you dada dadi, thank you nana nani, like that. After that you can see this one more customer, Sunitha. It is again golden glossy color. And you can also give to any cyclist who is fan of cycling. So you can give this silver brush color. Silver brush color is our top selling color. Then this is again the red metallic color. You can see thank you. If you really want to thanks to someone, you can use this beautiful monogram. Then again in the kids category, we have this Captain America shield. It is scratched in the wall. It looks really very beautiful. You can just put it and it looks great. It is written Captain Prerak. You can write any name of your choice. After that we also have this kind of beautiful nameplates. You can simply screw it 4 holes with the drill machine, and you can simply put it outside your door or maybe in your wall. It is also good. Again, that was golden. Again, one more. You can see this is silver brush. This is my favorite color and our top selling color. It looks really rich and good because it is matte. Also we have this one more monogram from the couple category. You can see Hina and Maharshi. You can simply customize your name. Let's say Hina and Maharshi. You can use it like Virat and Anushka, like that. You can see there is one more monogram. You can see this is newborn baby. So if you have a child who has just taken birth, so you can welcome them with their first gift. This is monogram. You can just mark the beautiful day, or you can also give this to someone. Then this is beautiful Black Avengers. So there is a favorite dialogue that Captain America says, Avengers assemble. So you can use this. Obviously you can customize the assemble instead of your child's name or your name. Then we have one more nuclear family. You can see the Thakkars. This is ordered by a customer. So there are parent and one child. This also looks great. So yes, if you want to order this beautiful monograms, just visit www.jadhavmonogram.com. See you on the other side.